Guys, welcome to Top Wisdom. Okay guys, today I'm gonna teach you. I'm not actually going to teach you, so I'm going to give you guys tips. I'm going to give you guys tips on how to write business studies grade 12 paper 2, which is coming the last paper, obviously. So I'm not going to make this video long and speak unnecessary things because I know I'm the best at this. So gonna show you things that might appear on paper. I'm actually 90% sure that these will appear on the question paper, on paper 2, as we are speaking. So what is important here to know that might appear is business ventures and business roles. Those things will appear on paper 2. It's business ventures and business roles. So you must focus on management and leadership, and investment securities, investment insurance, forms of ownership, presentation and data response. I've made a video about those. Ethics and professionalism. I've made a video. Creative thinking and problem solving, social responsibility, CSR and CSI, human rights, inclusivity and environmental issues, team performance and conflict and management. So I've made a video about these following topics. I've already made videos. You can go watch them so that you can learn. It's the fastest way to learn, because I know that most of you are lazy to study. So I've made it easy for you guys. You can go study there and watch the videos. Everything is summarized and you will understand. So what I could give you tips about is that ethics and professionalism. Most of the time, like last year, there was an essay question about ethics and professionalism, and also investment insurance. Those are the things to watch out when it comes to essay. Presentation and data response, they're not really, they won't be really an essay. I don't say that they won't be really an essay, like for real, like the essay won't come out. But what I'm saying is that most of the time it won't come out. Presentation and data response, it won't come out. Team performance and conflict management, that might happen. It might happen, will come out. But the others, like social responsibility, CSR and CSI, will appear on multiple choice. And forms of ownership, maybe section B. Those are the things. But when it comes to essay, make sure you guys focus on investment and insurance and ethics and professionalism. Make sure you guys focus more on that. And I've already made a video. Everything is going to be easy for you guys because I've made videos about this, so you can go there and learn. Everything is summarized there. So now, without wasting any time, I want to explain how they ask these questions. I won't give you the answers because I've already made a video. As I've said multiple times, I won't explain the thing I've already explained before. So the questions, when they ask about ethical and professional behavior, things like that, they will say like distinguish between ethical and professional behavior. You can make a table over there. Explain how the business can use transparency and accountability as part of King Code principles. Those are the things that most learners forget to study, and they usually come out. You guys focus on the easy stuff and you forget the real thing that's real tough, the things that are tough. So make sure you focus on those things: transparency and accountability. Those things are really important. And advise business on how following unethical business pose a challenge to business operations, like unfair advertising. And you give an example: pricing of goods in rural areas. How do they pose a challenge to business operations? How do they pose a challenge? This one, you don't need to study it. It's very obvious, especially when you are smart. It's very obvious because you can't study this thing. This thing is obvious. You see it every day. So another thing that might appear, like suggest ways in which business could deal with above mentioned types of unethical business practices, things like that. They will appear. and also things like explain how the following unprofessional business practices can pose a challenge to businesses: sexual harassment, unauthorized workplace funds and resources, abuse of work time. Those things, how do they pose a challenge? Another thing I need to teach you guys, which is very important, which will really help me to pass my matric a long time ago, because I'm very old now, which helped me to pass my matric. So I'm giving you guys this idea, and you have to use it in secret. This is a special idea, and is to don't cram. Don't you ever cram. Don't study and be looking yourself at the mirror and singing answers. That will never work. Instead you will fail. So make sure you study and understand the thing. Make sure you study. I know not all of us are smart. Some of you are dumb. So make sure you study and understand the thing. If you don't understand it, watch my videos, which is very important, guys. Watch my videos. So make sure you guys study. Anybody can pass at school. Anybody can pass matric. Anybody can pass matric. So guys, make sure you guys study here and focus on those aspects, which will make things easy for you guys. I've explained what will appear, so you guys know what will appear on exam. You know that what might appear. But ethics and professionalism, that will always appear. Make sure you guys focus on that. It will always appear. And study using previous question papers. That might help. Which I've asked a lot of people I was studying with a long time ago. They said it helps me. To me, it didn't help it didn't help. I just studied. I didn't use previous question papers. Maybe it's because I'm smart, I don't know. But I didn't use previous question papers. But I'm advising you guys to use it so that you can get level 7. Maybe we can see you guys studying at UJ. Peace.